Hello interwebs, welcome to Let's Fix Computers. Today I'm having a look at an Dell XPS L701x laptop. This thing's got a duck power jack on it. So we're going to have a look at said power jack and find out what's wrong with it. It's loose at the back, it's come free from its connections, but I don't know whether it's on a fly lead or whether it's on a power board. So the first stage of this is to do a visual inspection to find out what exactly we've got to fix or replace. So I'm going to strip this down and see what we've got, and we'll see. There may be a screen cut in this while I fix it, we'll find out. Anyway, let's get to work. I'm not sure if that's supposed to come out above or below. I think that's supposed to go under. Okay, right, I think we've got enough to turn over and start going in from the top. Let's just drop the DVD drive out. I think there's some screws, yeah. Right, okay, this feels like a bottom coming off job. Yep, we're turning over again. And something's hanging on. There we go. We've got one more thing. Whoop. There we go. Right. Once again, word to the wise, dust! That vent is almost completely blocked and there's only one cooling fan on this, and this laptop's got discrete graphics in it as well, so that thing will be crying to itself under load. Okay, right, the bit we're interested in, however, though. Wow. Is here. Okay, so as you can see, the screw point, well actually, the entire bottom part of this jack has come off. Let's just pull that out. Yeah, the entire bottom half of the jack has broken free. How does that work? That goes on like that. So yeah, that should be like that and then screwed into the bottom. Which was fine and dandy up until the point where it broke. Okay, well, the power jack is disgustingly expensive for this laptop. It's about £9 or £10 on eBay. But so I've stuck one of those on order, and I will have to wait a couple of days for that to come in stock. In the meantime, I'm going to take this fan off and give that a good thorough clean out, because otherwise that is going to kill this laptop. Wow. It's a big heavy-duty fan, but you can still see that is all blocked off. That'll kill this laptop if it's put under load. Probably the only reason why this laptop isn't already dead is it's probably not used for heavy gaming. Put the graphics card and the CPU under load at the same time and that fella will die. So, I'll see you guys after the cut when I've got some parts. Right, so that's going to go in there, and we're going to screw that in. The wire's a little bit longer than the old one. We've got the clearance. I think we can just squash this all in. There we go. Okay, right, we're fully assembled. Let's just check that it's still working. Looking good. Just take that into setup just so it's not trying to start up. And we'll just grab a charger and make sure we've got charging. Okay, right. The battery charge light flashed then and the screen has kicked onto high brightness mode. We're not going to get a charge light because this I've only got a 65 watt charger and this laptop's going to need at least a 90 watt charger, I would imagine. So, however, it has registered that the charger is connected, which is good enough for me. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye for now.